Hey everyone, want to comment anonymously in a Facebook group? Let me show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so first open the Facebook app and go to your homepage. Tap your profile icon to open the menu, then scroll down until you see Groups and tap on it. Now find the Facebook group where you want to comment. Open that group and scroll to the post you want to comment on. Tap the comment button to open up the comment section. Start typing your comment in the text box like you normally would. Here's the key part. You'll see your profile picture next to the comment box, right? Tap on that profile picture or the little icon next to it. A menu pops up giving you options for how to comment. You'll see your regular profile and another option that says Anonymous Participant. Tap on that. Facebook will show you a heads up explaining that while your comment appears anonymous to regular group members, the group admins can still see who you are. Just tap Got It to confirm. Now look at your comment. Instead of your name, it'll show Anonymous Participant. Perfect. Just hit send and your comment posts anonymously. Keep in mind this only works in certain groups that have anonymous posting enabled. Not all Facebook groups allow this feature, so if you don't see the option, that group doesn't support anonymous comments. And that's it. You can now comment in Facebook groups without showing your name to other members.